Hey Derby Dragons, we wanted to send you off this year with a final message from each of our departments. And it's been a wild year, full of learning, flexibility, and above all, personal growth. We hope you enjoy this last chapter of video messages. It has definitely brought light and fun to our days, knowing we are reaching you at home. We hope you have liked watching these videos as much as we have loved making them. Enjoy.
Thank
you
for
the
memories.
keep reading
Dragons.
According to our calculations, we love watching you exponentially grow.
Yay!
Thank you for an energetic year.
No distance of place or lapse of time can lessen the impact you've made.
This isn't goodbye.
It's see you later.
再见.
Hasta luego.
Biento.
Watching you improve has meant the world to us.
Be creative, make music, and keep moving.
We miss you so much already.
We don't want to say goodbye, so we will simply say, see you soon.
Thank you for growing Derby Strong with us. We miss you!
2019, 2020. 1 year. One incredible feat.
One Derby.